Hello again rail fans, Happy New Year! With 2024 being over, the T1 project seems to be getting closer to completion. With that being said, I would like to share my thoughts about this ongoing project and why a full locomotive rebuild seems like a special task to many rail fans. Honestly, hearing of a Pennsylvania Railroad T1 not only being rebuilt from scratch, but also announced to run again in America seems like a huge task, while at the same time, sounds like a genius idea since almost no Pennsy locomotives are in operation, and that America has never tried rebuilding an entire steam locomotive that no longer exists in the 21st century. I strongly suggest that more people should influence these kinds of projects to be organized, such as a full rebuild of the famous New York Central Hudson, a Santa Fe Blue Goose, or a Baltimore and Ohio P7. Even though these kinds of projects can take a lot of time and money, I'd say it would be worth seeing a new kind of steam locomotive fully rebuilt that never existed in preservation, or was never saved from scrap. Currently, the whole idea of reconstructing an entire steam locomotive using blueprints seem to be the only kind of rail project taking place in North America, while other countries around the world have already done this idea with other locomotives that strongly resemble their railroad's history. Let's hope within the next few years that the T1 is rebuilt successfully and that rail fans witness a living piece of history rebuilt come back to life, operating many rail excursions with the acceptance of Class 1 railroads or short lines all throughout the east coast of North America. Thank you all for watching and stay safe.